Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for game developers and 3D artists. We'll be learning how to convert UAsset files to FBX format. This is essential for transferring assets between Unreal Engine and other 3D software. Let's get started. First, what exactly are UAssets and FBX? UAssets are the native asset format used by Unreal Engine. They contain everything from meshes and textures to animations and materials. FBX, on the other hand, is a widely supported file format for 3D models. It's compatible with many 3D applications like Blender, Maya, and 3ds Max. So, why convert? Well, imagine you have a beautiful character model in Unreal Engine. You want to use it in a different game engine or create a promotional render in Blender. That's where converting to FBX comes in handy. The most straightforward method involves using the Unreal Engine editor itself. Open your Unreal Engine project. Locate the UAsset you want to convert in the content browser. Right-click on the asset. Then, select Asset Actions and choose Export. In the export settings, select FBX as the file type. Choose a location to save the FBX file. Configure the export settings. These settings control how the asset is exported. Pay attention to options like skeletal mesh options, static mesh options, and texture settings. You can adjust the scale, coordinate system, and whether or not to include textures. Experiment to find the best settings for your specific asset. A common issue is missing textures after exporting. Ensure that Embed Textures is enabled in the FBX export settings. This option packages the textures within the FBX file. Alternatively, you can manually copy the textures to the same folder as the FBX file. Another important aspect is handling skeletal meshes. If you're exporting a character with animations, make sure to include the skeleton and animations in the export. You might need to export the skeletal mesh and the animation sequences separately. Then, import them into your target software and link them together. For static meshes, consider simplifying the mesh before exporting. This can reduce the file size and improve performance in other applications. You can use Unreal Engine's built-in mesh editing tools for this. Remember to test the exported FBX file in your target software. Check if the model looks correct. Verify that the textures are present. Ensure that the animations are playing as expected. If you encounter any issues, go back to the export settings and adjust them. Sometimes, third-party plugins can aid in the conversion process. Research if any plugins are available for your specific Unreal Engine version. These plugins might offer advanced features or simplify the workflow. Finally, remember that converting between formats can sometimes result in data loss. Complex materials or shaders might not translate perfectly to FBX. You may need to recreate them in your target software. That covers the basics of converting UAssets to FBX. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Your support helps me create more content like this. Leave any questions or comments down below. Let me know what other topics you'd like to see covered.